Right now, at this very moment, there are places on Earth where people have vanished without saying goodbye, without sending a final message, without leaving a single piece behind. No bodies, no wreckage, no answers. And one of those places lies hidden in plain sight on the world map, the Bermuda Triangle, stretching across the Atlantic Ocean between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. This region looks ordinary. Ships pass through it, planes fly over it every day. Yet for more than 100 years, it has been linked to some of the most disturbing disappearances in human history. In December 1945, 5 U.S. Navy aircraft took off from Florida on what should have been a routine training mission. The pilots were experienced. The weather was clear. Everything was normal until it wasn't. Midway through the flight, the pilots reported that their compasses were spinning wildly. They couldn't tell east from west. The ocean below looked unfamiliar. Moments later, all radio contact was lost. Those planes were never seen again. What happened next only deepened the mystery. A rescue aircraft was sent to search for the missing pilots, and it vanished too. 6 aircraft, 14 men, gone without a trace. And this was not the first time. For decades, cargo ships, fishing boats, and aircraft have disappeared inside the same triangular zone. Some sent distress signals that suddenly cut off mid-sunset. Others never made contact at all. In several cases, ships were later found drifting empty, with no signs of damage and no explanation for where the crew went. So what could cause something like this? Scientists point to natural explanations. The Bermuda Triangle sits in a region where weather can change violently in minutes. Massive storms can form without warning. The Gulf Stream, one of the strongest ocean currents on Earth, flows through the area and could carry wreckage hundreds of miles away before search teams arrive. There is also something unusual about navigation here. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places where true north and magnetic north align. For early pilots and sailors, this could cause serious compass confusion, enough to send them completely off course. Another theory involves methane gas trapped beneath the ocean floor. If large amounts suddenly rise to the surface, they could reduce water density and cause ships to sink almost instantly. In the air, similar disturbances could interfere with engines and electronics. But here's the problem. None of these explanations fully explain every disappearance. Pilots have reported seeing strange lights hovering over the water. Some describe sudden electronic failure, engines cutting out, radios dying, instruments going dark, all at the same time. Others said the ocean appeared unnatural, as if reality itself had changed. These accounts gave rise to darker theories: time distortion, unknown energy zones, forces we don't yet understand. Today, modern aircraft and ships cross the Bermuda Triangle safely every day. Technology is better. Navigation is more precise. Yet the list of vanished vessels remains, and many cases were never officially solved. The Bermuda Triangle doesn't frighten us because it proves something supernatural exists. It frightens us because it reminds us how much we still don't understand. Even with satellites, radar, and modern science, there are places on this planet that refuse to give us clear answers. And maybe the most unsettling thought of all is this: the Bermuda Triangle may not be dangerous anymore, or it may simply be waiting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy exploring the world's greatest mysteries, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next video.